Top shortcut number 1, the hidden Slide Master jump shortcut. The hidden Slide Master jump shortcut is Shift plus the normal icon that you can find at the bottom of your PowerPoint screen. Now, normally when you click the normal icon, first you'll get your notes, then you'll get your outline view, and then you'll get your normal view back with the thumbnails, and I'll show you some tricks for working with the notes pane later in this video. But watch what happens when I hold the Shift and then click the normal icon. Holding Shift and then clicking the normal icon, I will jump to the child slide layout. I'm now on my Slide Master. You can see the Slide Master tab open up here, and a little shortcut within a shortcut. If I hold Shift and hit the normal icon again, I'm gonna move from my child slide to the parent slide. Now, understanding the difference between what you should do here on your parent slide versus what you should do differently here on your child slide is beyond the scope of this video, but if you're interested in learning more about that, I recommend checking out Camille's How to Build a PowerPoint Template here on YouTube. But just as a quick example of how much time this can save you, if I come back to the normal view, let's say that this is my company logo or some design element that I want to add. I'm gonna Control X to cut it, and I wanna add it to all of the slides in my presentation. Here I have 19 slides, but what if I had 50 or 100? All I need to do is holding Shift, jump to the Slide Master view. This is the child slide layout. I'll Control V to paste that logo, icon, or design element here on the child slide layout. And again, make sure you check out Camille's video to understand when you would want to put it on your parent slide instead. But if I close the Slide Master view, you're gonna see that that design element was added to each of my individual slides, and it's not editable here. Just keep in mind that whatever layout you start on, when you hold Shift and click the normal icon to do that Slide Master jump, is the slide layout or the child slide layout, in this case, the divider slide, that you're first going to jump to.